Hey guys, it's Pinky here. I'm just gonna be washing my car today. I've actually asked my son to help me, but he ran away. I have no idea where he is. So I'm gonna do it by myself because the show must go on. So it's actually a really nice day outside. So here's my car. It's really messy in there. So like, I don't know if you can see that. Let me just go through the back door. Back door will be a whole lot easier, I guess. See? It's all my son's stuff. Look at all this. That's just nasty. Look at what he did. Can you see it? Oh, there we go. Car is wrecked. Completely wrecked. My trunk though is empty. Just needs a vacuum and that's about it. So I've never really washed a car by myself without my boyfriend. He normally helps me, and when I say help me, I mean he normally does it for me. He's not doing it this time. So I'm just gonna be vacuuming the car and washing the car. So I'll vacuum the inside, take out all the garbage, vacuum the inside, clean the seats, and then I'll wash the outside, including my rims. Wish me luck. Are you guys gonna help me or what?
No.
No.
I'm coming outside to play ball.
Ball.
Can you go get me the vacuum from upstairs at least, and let me wash my car myself? It's okay, because when you have your
You're
so
wearing
what?
slippers.
You're stronger than me.
No, you're stronger
Be
than
a
me.
gentleman.
You want an arm wrestle?
Say
Come
on
arm
camera
wrestle.
you'd rather your mother go upstairs and get the vacuum.
Yeah, I would
Then
rather,
be a gentleman.
I would rather you go get it. I want to play ball. Ball is ball.
This is what's wrong with the men of our generation, guys. I hope you women are teaching. You better get your booty right back in that house, sir. It's all right. I pay the bills. I'm just gonna cut off the internet for a while. I think about 7 days of no Fortnite, no bra la 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 la, whatever that game is called, no Apex, no other games, no phone, no Netflix.
Fine. Psych.
Yeah? All right, bet.
Okay, I was joking.
I had that on camera.
I was joking. I'll go and get your stupid vacuum.
All of that? Okay, cool. As long as you get the vacuum, I'm good. So just to show you everything, guys, it's so messy. So dirty.
Oh, please.
Look at this. Look at all that. Wrecked. So I'm gonna see if I can bring all of this back to life. Hopefully I can. Give my tires a good cleaning.
Mine. Oh.
Yes, baby? Okay, so I got my nails done like 2 weeks ago. They're all completely off. One broke because my son accidentally stepped on it. So I started snapping them all off. Now, if you're a girl, see, dirty, right? But anyway, look at this. Like I was saying, I snapped them all off while I was driving, running errands. This is like a man's worst nightmare. Now you see why my boyfriend does not want to help me clean my car. How many of you men share cars with your girlfriends, and how many of your girlfriends, or I should say, how many of you guys actually have girlfriends who keep their cars clean? That's like my boyfriend's like pet peeve, like. And I got kids. Look at that. That's all my son. That's all him. It's not me. I don't sit in the back. I sit in the front. I'm a driver. Right? That's it.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, JJ. What's up?
Hi.
Okay, so now all the mats are out. All the garbage is out the car.
Mom.
My son's in the car. But I got all the garbage out. These are the mats. Look at my son's mat. It was worse just a while ago. These are definitely overdue for a cleaning. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start with the back since the back is like the worst place in the whole car. It's like nasty. Don't have kids, guys. Drinking. A little bit, not really. Nah, don't do it. Yeah, press the button for mommy. Thank you. Go play in your car, baby. Okay, so inside here, like when you go up like this, I found a whole bunch of goldfish's snack, and this part is like way too small to get it all out. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try and see if I can let y'all see. Okay, so this is it down. When you go up, can you see all that? That's just disgusting. And then he probably has stuff in here. Look at that. Oh.
Mine.
No, not yours. Yucky. So I'm just gonna try my best and get everything out. You can see there's like a lot of stuff there, so I'm gonna have to ask my boyfriend, unfortunately, what I'm supposed to be using to clean this carpet. He's gonna be so annoyed with me. But I'm gonna ask him and we'll see, guys. We'll see. Okay, so I really should have washed my mats first so they dried because it's evening time, the sun's setting. Completely forgot. So I'm gonna go do that now, and hopefully by the time I'm done, they dry. Okay, so since my kids are on the other side of the car washing the mats for me, finally they're helping me doing something. What, Shay?
We're done washing the mat.
Oh, okay, whatever. I went to go look for cleaning stuff
Come and spray Mom.
to do the seats. Please don't spray me.
Okay, don't
I
spray
will
Mom.
literally hurt you guys. Okay, guys. So, I found this. This is to clean the seats. And then I
Yes,
have
now.
my fiber cloths, or
Wow,
whatever
so
you call them.
fancy. You're so
get for my
fancy,
last
Mom.
Go play with JJ. Go play with JJ. I will spray you with this.
Okay. I don't mind being sprayed with water today. Hell, what?
I hope I'm doing that right. Are you supposed to apply this directly on?
No, you're supposed to put it on the thing, then
Shake
what?
well, apply to cool surface. When you're cleaning, guys, make sure you don't forget to get the center console, because that's what everyone sees, and you don't want a nasty center. And when I say get the center, I mean like get the dust from everywhere. I hate seeing vents with dust in there. Who told you that I want to breathe in dusty air? I don't want dusty air. So make sure you get all that, guys. Now it's time to wash the car. I'm actually gonna use this. My boyfriend told me I just use a little bit. Here's the car. Just to show you guys. have some bird crap on my car. They say it's good luck, but I don't know. So I'm inside now. I didn't get to finish. I still have to do the rims and some the doors, the windows, that type of stuff, and the tires. So tomorrow I'll show you guys the rest of that. Plus, I'll show you the grand reveal. Kind of excited. It looks really, really, really good. I'm super proud of myself considering this is my first time I've done like this whole thing. But man, it's hard, guys. I am tired. Like, kind of glad it got dark because I am tired. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? Hey guys, good morning. I so completely forgot that I was actually supposed to go to my shop today to basically just have the contractor come and paint my bathroom, change my sink, and put up my mirrors in my shop. But then I couldn't find my car keys anywhere, like nowhere at all. So I had to cancel. So I guess it kind of worked out for me because now I get to finish my video for you guys. But it's so funny because I still need my car keys to finish this video. Gonna go look, guys. So I found the keys. They were actually in here. Like, I looked in my whole entire house, but I left them in the garage. Not smart. I actually just have to do my son's car seat now. So, see it? It's really dirty. There's probably fishies in there. So I'm just gonna clean this and put back in the mats. The mats are all over the place in my garage. And then I have to, we'll see. So now his car seat is basically ready to go. I can go in now. So I'm just gonna finish off the windows. All right. So, oh my gosh, is that sweat? Oh, jeez. It's hot out here, guys. It's hot. Okay, so I've officially finished the car. I can't do the outside of the window because I can't really reach it. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys everything now. So hot out, guys. It's a barbecue day. I think I'm gonna barbecue. All right, let's go. So this is my baby, guys. All finished. Let me show you guys inside. So ladies, you can do this too. Don't let any man discourage you and tell you that you cannot clean your car and have it look bomb diggity. Because I did it and my car looks super sexy now. I'm absolutely in love. In love, guys. Just looks so good. Did the trunk. Have some stuff in here. You know what? I'm just gonna wipe here real quick in a second. But look at that. Look at her. She is absolutely beautiful. The mats could be a little cleaner, but my kids did it, so I gotta give them credit where credit's due, I guess. They did a good job considering one is turning 13 and the other's 3 years old. So beautiful, guys. Okay, so Shay, what do you think of the car? You think I did a good job?
Yeah.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Looks clean?
Yeah. Except for the marks right there. That.
So overall, out of 10.
9. Little marks right there. Right there.
I hope you guys liked my video. I learned a lot of things during this process, like the fact that I can't use tire shine on my rims. I did my best. There's lots of stuff that I still have to figure out how to do, like the carpets, how to get the salt off the carpets. So I guess deep conditioning. And I need something, or squeegee or something, just so I could do front window, because I'm way too tiny to even reach. My arms are short. I'm like 5'4". I like to say I'm 5'5". It is what it is. I think I did a pretty good job for the most part. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know, put in my comments. Let me know if I missed anything, if I could have done anything better or different, how I can improve, because I want my car to stay clean. I'm not gonna let my son eat in my car anymore. I say this all the time, but after all that hard work I just did, he is definitely not allowed to eat in my car anymore, because there's not gonna be any more fishes swimming around in my car. Forgot to put in my air fresheners.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. Wait, baby. This one's black ice. I like the smell.
Mine.
Hold on. I'll get you in a minute. And then this one is the leather. So I like them combined. It gives your car a nice leather brand new smell. And no, I'm not one of those people that put it like in the bag still. I take it completely out. Yeah, so let me know how you guys think I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you see all the latest stuff that I do. Turn on your notifications. When you have the notifications on, you'll get all videos I upload immediately. Comment, let me know how I did. Leave your feedback, any input, I really appreciate it. And feel free to share my video to your friends. Alright guys, see you next time.